Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Tech Labs. Today in this video I will show you that how to remove vocals from any song. So let's further do intro. Okay, welcome back. So here is my music Janji Heroes Tonight, which is officially released by NCS, and here you can hear that there is vocal sung by the artist, and now we are going to remove that vocals.
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the.
So go to your browser and here search vocalremore.org. Now our website is ready, and here you can see that we have many options: vocal remover, pitch changer, tempo changer, audio cutter, and many more things, many more options. So I will click on browse my files and then select my audio or song which I am going to remove vocals, and then click on open. Now after clicking on open, it will upload the file and it will take a little bit, so wait for it. That upload the file, and then this will process the audio, and after audio processing it will be load a bit, and now our encoding has been started. So now you can see that here is our music, and the beneath layer is vocals. So if we up the volume of vocals, we can hear the vocals also, but I show you that how the vocals are playing. So here
I'm walking alone. On salute, getting stronger, step by step.
So now you can hear that when I lower down the volume of vocals, only the music is playing, and now our vocal is removed successfully. But now the question is that how to export this audio. So you can do that, you can do the thing that open your screen recorder and there enable sound recording, and then click on start and play your music up to end. Then your screen recorder will record all the music, and from in and then in Adobe Premiere Pro or any other video editing software or audio editing software, you can remove the video and export your audio as well as you want. So I hope you will learn that how to remove vocals, and I hope you will enjoy the video. So if you have, then keep like the video and share the video with your friends or someone. Stay tuned up to next. Goodbye.
We are heroes tonight.